Good morning everyone. Today we will be performing an experiment. Our experiment name is to show that roots transmit water to the whole plants. Now let us observe this experiment and know what happens. Material required is we need pot A, we need pot B, we need soil as you can see, and we need water. Now let's see what is the procedure of this experiment. First we have to take two plants, that is pot A and pot B with us. Now we have to cut the roots of pot A. Now we are taking the scissor and we are cutting the roots of pot A. So if you can see, the pot A roots have been cut. If you can see, the pot A roots are cut. Now I am placing the roots inside the pot into the soil. Okay. Now see, I have placed it. Now if you see, the pot B is still as it is, and we are taking the pot B as it is. We are not cutting the roots of pot B. Now let's give water to the soil. See, if I am putting water in pot A and pot B, what happened? Pot A water is absorbed by the soil and it is not showing. Now the pot A water has been vanished and it is not been able to see, because the soil has already absorbed the water and providing it to the plant. Not only the water, the roots also provides minerals, make food for the plant, and the stems always transfer all the food to the plant so that the plant can stand, and root gives strength to the plant so that the plant is still even if the wind is strong. Now in pot A, if you can see, the pot is not, the flower leaves are not responding, they are dead. For few days we will observe both the plants and give water. After few days, what you will observe? We will observe that pot A plants leaves are dead. They are not responding, they are dried, they are turning yellow, and they are not standing still. The plant is not standing still. But if you will observe the plant B is still alive. It is still standing, it is still has green leaves, and it is having a good build. Now what you can see, what is the result? The result says that the plant always have the main system is root, and roots provide them water, mineral, etc. So we have come to a conclusion that roots transmit water to the whole plant. And as we all know, the plant has two systems, which is the above system which we can see is the shoot system, and the system which we cannot see but it is still in the plant, that is the root system, through which the plant is able to stand. Thank you kids. I hope you have understood the experiment.
Read out the aim, material required, procedure, observation and result. So let's start. Aim: to show that roots transmit water to the whole plant. Material required: 2 small plants, 2 pots, soil and water. Now let's begin the experiment. Take 2 plants and label them as A and B. Cut the root of plant A and plant it in pot A. Now plant plant B in another plant without cutting its root. Water both the plants regularly. Observe the plant after few days. What did you observe? You will observe that the plant with roots, plant B, is still growing or alive, but the plant without roots, plant A, is dead due to absence of water. Result: this proves that roots transmit water to the whole plant. plants. Let's see the diagram. In plant A, you see that there are dead leaves, dead flower. There is only soil. There is no roots. In plant B, you see a live plant. It has flower, it has green leaves, it has soil as well as roots. The plant which is having with roots is alive, and the plant without root is dead. So, what did we learn? This proves that roots transmit water to the whole plant. Now, I will explain you through my video by showing the experiment.